Hello everyone, my name is Shreya and today I am just talking about that overthinking. So do everyone overthink about exam? Do you overthink? Okay. So at first I just want to talk about that if we can see one example like whenever we are very familiar with WhatsApp. So whenever we are communicating with anyone, we just type. Sometime maybe we just type one message, and after that we think that should we send it to him or her? So should we remove that or should we delete that? So every time we think about that, what should we do? What should we do? So that time it is not about that smart thinking. It is about overthink. Like we overthink that we what should we do? So at first I just tell that. Okay. So at first I will just tell that what is thinking. Thinking is what we think and do and we execute. But overthink is that when what we have think, we just working on thinking, that we are thinking more and more and more, and there our 70% fear is going through our mind. So on that time we can't execute that work, whatever we are thinking for, that we will do that or we will do that or we will do another one. So so we can do that. We can do follow one strategy. That 3 moves we can do. So now and next and no next. Okay. So now is what we think. We will just execute that. We will not think more on that topic. Okay. And what next? So when we think one work that is important or bit important, it is that. So in that time we can put it on next, that what is more important we will do now, and after that what is less important we will do it next, and what thing is not important at all we will shift to it, but no next, we will not do that work. Okay, so it is not important at all. So let me tell about my story, like how do I overthink. I think I am an Olympic level overthinker. So it is like that. Whenever I have started my school or my college, I have started. I always take that wrong decision. Okay, so I think during that class 5, whenever I took that admission, I have taken that admission in 3 or 4 schools. After that I choose one, but it is later on. It take more time to choose that one school. But whenever also I am in class after Madhyamik. Okay, so that on that time also I have taken admission in 2 schools. So that time I also choose that where I will continue my 11 and 12 degree. So and finally I am coming to my college. It is also I have enrolled in 2 colleges. One is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and after that I enrolled in future education. So in my life there is lots of overthinking is there. I do overthink a lot, but day by day I am just decreasing it. So it is just an example. So today is also Independence Day. So I am asking one more question. So are we all independent?
Yes.
Independent?
Yes.
I am not thinking that I am independent. And we all are independent. I am not think that. I can't think that. Because whenever we are taking one decision or whenever we are doing one work or one thing, whatever we are doing, even whatever I am eating, that time I also think many times. That time also I am overthinking, right? So like today I will have biryani or chamin or fried rice. What I will eat? I will eat momo or fuchka. What is preferable today? So that thing is going on in our mind every day. So I don't think we are very independent. So maybe we are dependent on our decision. Whatever we are thinking, we are just thinking more and more and more. Okay, so thank you everyone for your attention. Thank you.